Hey guys, welcome to the Top 5 List channel. Are you looking best electric bicycle wheel in this video? I will show you the top 5 best electric bicycle wheel to buy right now on your budget. You can check out the links in the description box. Also, make sure you subscribe, up to date with the latest video. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Number 5 is Bafang rear wheel motor. Specifications. Brand name Bafang. Model G0900. Wattage 400 watts. Voltage 48 volts. Motor Brusheless gear hub motor. Waterproof grade IPX5. Efficiency 80%. Max torque 80 Nm. Noise grade 55 dB. Origin China. Number 4 is Adjustable Speed Bike Conversion Kit. Specifications. Motor type Brushless Gear Series Hub Motor. Material aluminum, iron, copper, magnet steel. Voltage 48 volts. Power 1000 watts. Rated speed 450 revolutions per minute. Rated torque 45 Nm. Available wheel size 26 inches. Efficiency 82%. Color black. As the item number 3 we've selected Varstrom 1000W hub motor wheel. Specifications. Brand name Varstrom. Wattage 400 watts. Voltage 48 volts. Motor brushless non-gear hub motor. Efficiency 82%. Torque output 66 Nm. Weather resistant IPX5. Available wheel size 26 inch 27.5. Origin China. Number 2 is CSC Electric Bicycle Conversion Kit. Specifications. Brand name CSC. Size 26 inches. Mounting position rear drive. Wattage 1000 watts. Voltage 48 volts. Motor brushless non-gear hub motor. Wattage 500 watts, 1000 watts, 1500 watts. Origin China. On the top of our list at number 1 we have rear motor wheel. Specifications. Brand name Ray. Motor type brushless geared hub wheel motor. Voltage 36 volts to 48 volts. Power 350 watts to 500 watts. Rated current 8 amperes. Rated torque 32 to 34 Nm, 61 to 64 Nm. Rated speed 231 to 270 revolutions per minute. 350 watts, 289 to 346 revolutions per minute for 500 watts. Origin China.